boxes. Because my gauges don't work, so that tank's got to go. What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another video. You guys like the shirt? Yeah, it's a Chevy shirt. Yeah, I know. Yeah, another one. Alright, you guys, coming back. We're at my parents' house. Got my trailer, one trailer right there. Remember that plate? That plate was the plate to make the bumpers. Yes, the Chevy C10, it will be back on the road shortly. It's already on the road. It just needs to be painted. But right now, we're alright. So, I had, so let me sit down and talk to you guys real quick. Alright? So, and all you guys that watch my channel, this is more like a vlog. I'm gonna try to do some vlogs for you guys, and yeah, you see the weather in North Carolina. Looks like it's gonna rain. See all that? See all that? See all that? All right, anyways, yeah, so the welding rig truck, right? So my job allows me to buy metal and charge customers that they know about, and charge customers as far as getting everything right. They allow me to charge my customers, and my customers can pay to get the estimate, and they only take it, if I choose for them to take it out my check, it'd be like a month or 6 weeks payment plan. So that's a good thing. So yes, as you guys can see the steel behind me, let's get into the action. All right, so if you remember from my old videos, I was talking about I had to rebuild the bed. Correction, had to rebuild the top plate and add some toolboxes. Yes, some toolboxes. But first things first, this is just a vlog, guys. I'm not doing nothing right now. I mean, I got everything in. All right, so you got the 1/8" plate. You got 2 sheets of those. That's about 500 pounds. That's about 226. Diamond plate right here, 3/16. I went a little step up. I mean, I think this plate right here is bent. So this is a bed that somebody bought. So theirs is a little bit thinner, but it's bent. But so 3/16 diamond plate, and then I got angle, 1/2 by 1/2 by 1/8" angle. Yeah. To build the toolboxes frame and the lip and stuff like that. Because under this truck bed, it's a lot of rust on the plate, and I don't trust the plate. And I'm taking out that custom gas tank they got right there. And they got another gas tank on the far side. I got a 25-gallon tank that's gonna be mounted underneath the rear axle of this truck. So yeah, because my gauges don't work, so that tank's got to go. It's a decent looking tank, but I'm gonna scrap that, scrap the other gas tank, and it's gonna add less weight to my truck. One of the tires I got pumped up was losing air. Got to figure out why. And then behind this piece of wood right here, it's like rust, so they put wood to block the hide the rust and painted it black. Overall, this right here, I'm gonna get rid of this. I mean, it's nice. Some of it's sturdy. Behind that plate right there is a bunch of rust. Underneath this sheet of plate, it's some rust. This side right here is falling apart. See? It's like literally, I can bend it. So that part right there, we're gonna upgrade it, and we're gonna use 1/8" metal right here, and we're gonna turn it into a flat and get some new LED lights that I used in my previous video for my other truck. Have them wired up to there, and turn signals, reverse lights, and stuff like that. I do like these lights right here. These lights will stay on the truck. Everything on this truck right here will be good. Cutting the headache rack completely off. I like it. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna cut it off right now because I need to fix everything else. Did you see that right there? Rust. That's the main, like a tube or a channel. No, that's a tube. So I gotta get another one from work. And then underneath, underneath, if you can see it, that whole plate is rusted out. And some of the tube is fine. It's not too terribly bad. I mean, just a little bit of sandpaper. Sand it up, brushed it off, But it's a few things I got to change to make modifications to it. But you got to stay with me. In this video is kind of getting kind of long. But yeah, so here's the dually rig. I mean, turn around so you guys can see it again. Or is it 77 C30 right there with the hood popped. Everybody wants to see what's in it, so we're gonna show you what's in it. All that is a Corvette motor right there. 6 wires run the whole truck. That's a hydraulic braking system. The system behind there is for hydraulic fluid. It's to pull the vacuum off the power steering pump, which is down here. That's the old-fashioned style. Never seen one like this until now. So yeah, that's good. Inside is pretty clean. Wires is organized with loom. Oh look, that's what I was gonna show you guys. So remember in one of my videos, that's where the battery fell and hit. See that? That's like a sharp piece of metal. The battery slipped off of this because it had that little thing right there holding the battery up, and slipped off. Bam! Shot like a shotgun. Didn't burn up no wires, thank God. Got a little leaks here and there. I mean, take the motor out, freshen it up a little bit. Here's the grill. They made that bumper. That bumper is nice. Some step side. You don't really need it because if you look, my waist comes up to a little bit above the body line. So the truck is nice and small and I can reach, you know. So I'm gonna put the welder in the middle. Fire extinguisher, always keep that. Headache rack, look at my little skull buddy right there. But yeah, that's it guys. And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification, hit that bell for notifications every time I post. And if you like this C30, leave a like. If we can get 30 likes, we'll do like a giveaway on some welding equipment or something. I mean, something like that. Let's just get 30 likes. Leave a comment down below. See what should I have you hashtag? If you want a piece of welding equipment that I have, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is, it's gonna be a surprise, and it's gonna be something really good. All you gotta do is leave. My wife is looking at me, and it's just first giveaway. I mean, we're already at 220 subscribers, so this will be a subscriber special. So if you like the video, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the like button, hashtag C30, hashtag the Welding Machine LLC, or just the Welding Machine. And I got a piece of welding equipment I can get rid of because I don't use it as much as I used to, and it's one of the equipments that I first started out in. It's a stick welder and scratch start TIG rig. So just leave a like and I'll update you guys. I would say the giveaway will be give people time to look at it. I would say whenever I post this video, it'll be 2 weeks. But yeah, just leave that, y'all. Thank you. Welding Machine out. Peace.